What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a deep clean on the frame of the Tundra using the Big Truck Off-Road Frame Flushing Kit. So let's hop in the garage real quick, put this thing together, and let's put it to work. All right, guys, here it is, the Big Truck Off-Road Frame Flushing Kit. So first off, big shout out to Big Truck Off-Road for sending us these. We're excited to be working together, and I am curious to see how much crap is gonna come out of the frame in the Tundra, because I'm not the best at washing my truck, and I know it's dirty in there. So big shout out to Big Truck Off-Road. Thank you, guys. I am looking forward to it, and I'm pumped to clean these frames out. So, basically, this is a kit to flush out your frame and do a deep clean on it. Things that won't get flushed out, you know, during a routine cleaning or pressure washing. After you wash your trucks, things still stay in the frame. You can't get everything out, and this is a big help. So it attaches to your standard garden hose, which is awesome. You don't need any type of special hose or pressure washer or anything like that. I'm gonna take all the pieces out so we can get started on the assembly and the description of this thing. Okay. So first off, obviously we have our hose. This is just a water hose that you're going to be connecting these quick disconnects to. So you take off the threaded portion of the quick disconnects, slide that onto the hose, slide the hose onto that right there, and then tighten that down nice and snug. And there's two of those. You put one on each end of the hose. Slide that guy on. Okay, should be plenty tight. All right, and then we have our soap dispenser. So you can run these with or without soap. I don't even know if I have any car washing soap in my garage right now, to be honest, but I might be able to find some or use some dish soap or something. But this is the attachment that goes onto the water hose and onto the soap dispenser. So you can see it has this little valve right here, on and off. It's pretty plain and simple, self-explanatory. It says it on there which way to turn it. That threads onto right here. Now we have a quick connect fitting, which this is going to go on the opposite end of this soap dispenser. Just pop that in right there, and then you pop that in to your hose. And then this is the actual device that you stick into your frame. So it's got magnets all around the edge of it, and this little nipple that pops out disperses the water. You stick that in your frame, it sticks to it and flushes your frame out. So we have to put this little connection in the back of this, just thread that in tight. Just like that. And then this is going to connect into the opposite end of your hose right there. So water hose, your standard water hose for your house, connects in right here. This goes into your frame, disperses all the water and flushes it out. And it also comes with a connector or a quick connect for an air compressor. It's threaded and it threads into the back of this. So if you want to clean this out whenever you're done cleaning your frame, you stick that in, you hook your compressor onto it and flush it out with air and get it all cleaned out. All right. So we got it assembled. Let's hop outside and give this thing a shot. I'm excited, and let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna connect it to my water hose now. This is actually pretty cool because it's magnetic, so you can just stick it to something just like that and let it hang. And then, like I showed you before, this is just your standard water hose connection. You thread that onto your water hose and you are good to go. And I am gonna be honest, I am not a big, I don't know what to call it, like a car detailing type guy. When we go on trips with the truck, when we get home, I'll spray it down at the car wash. I'll wash it a little bit and leave it at that. I don't really detail my trucks because I know they're going to get dirty within the next couple of weeks anyway. So I don't have any soap in the garage, but I do have some Palmolive dish soap, which I googled, and it says it's fine to clean the frame out or clean any metal surface on your truck with. So I'm gonna throw some dish soap in this thing. Maybe I should go buy some like chemical guys or something. I don't even know how much to put. That should be good. And then after you put your soap in, this little container just threads back on, and then you have a valve right here on top where you can control the disbursement of the soap, you know, the flow and how much you want to come out. So I am going to turn that like halfway. Okay, so it clicks. So I'm sure these clicking mean different levels of flow. I don't know if y'all can hear that clicking. So there's 3 clicks, probably low, medium, and high flow, I guess. So let's hop down and connect this thing to the truck real quick, and I'm gonna turn this water on and crank it up. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna stick this real quick. Just right there, there's a little hole in my frame, that square. My rock sliders might get in the way of this. I hope it doesn't, but let's make sure it fits. Oh, perfect. Dang, that is cool. Heck yeah. All right, so it's in. I'm gonna turn the water on and let's see what it does. As you can see right here, we have that valve off and on. I'm gonna crank this thing on and start flushing. Okay, and as it's going, oh yeah. I'm gonna crank up the soap. Check out that soap mixing in there. Oh, this is cool, man. Look at that. So it is rinsing the absolute crap out of my frame right now. And I can just see all kinds of dirt coming off. I'll show you guys the residue on the concrete after I stop videoing this. All right, now I'm gonna give it another shot back here, and I'm hooked on this thing already. I'm gonna wash this whole undercarriage of my truck today. So let's go ahead and turn this on. There it goes. Man, it is doing work in there. I'm gonna get a view for you guys from the backside. I don't really want to get all wet today, but oh man, look at that. You just see it rinsing everything out. And I can just see all the dirt and grime coming off my frame running down my driveway right now. This is cool. All right, so I just finished up the other side of the Tundra, and I kind of want to turn this thing on and see what it does without being stuck in the frame. See kind of like the pattern of it. So let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's crazy. That is cool, man. I'm trying not to get the camera wet, but let's see if y'all can see that. That's not even all the way. Look at that. So you can see right there in that nipple, it has all the slits that the water comes out of. It's super cool, man. Genius idea. Genius idea. All right, so I'm gonna take this off now. We'll go through the cleaning process of it. I'm gonna hook it up to the air compressor, and we will. Whoa, hold on. First, I need to take off my freaking water hose. Turn off my water hose. Okay. All right, water is off. I'm gonna let this thing run out of pressure real quick. Okay, so this is the process of taking it off your water hose. Let that pressure bleed out. And then you just unthread it from your water hose. And you are good to go. That simple. All right, let's go clean this thing out. All right, so I got my air compressor right here. I'm going to show you guys the process of cleaning out that sprayer. So like I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, it's just threaded right here. You unthread that, And then the kit comes with this little quick connect for an air compressor. Just stick that in that hole, thread that on, and then you're good to go. So all you do is stick it in your air hose, just like that, and it's on. All right, so I have my compressor cranked up to about 90 psi right now. I'm gonna stick it in and let's flush this thing out. Oh, yeah. Nice. That is sweet, man. It's dry. Dang, this is cool. I love little stuff like this. You know, if you could save your freaking truck frame for 50 bucks just doing this after every trip, it's a no-brainer, guys. All right, guys, so final thoughts on this thing. Honest, non-biased review. Every single one of you guys watching this video needs to buy one. 50 bucks. It's not expensive. It's built well. It works great. And it can potentially save the frame of your truck. So if you guys go to the beach a lot, which we do, it's hard to get all that sand out of there. I'm gonna be using this after every beach trip. If you live up north, if you live somewhere where there's salt in the roads, if it's snowing, you know, just basically any type of terrain that will rust out your frame, you guys need to get this. This is cool. So I'm gonna use the absolute crap out of this thing. Every time I go on a trip, when I get back, after I wash my truck, I'm gonna run this thing in there, and it's gonna give me that peace of mind that I really did wash the truck good now, because like I said before, I'm not good about this stuff. But yeah, so if you guys wanna get one of your own, they're 50 bucks. I will link the website to Big Truck Off-Road Store, and use my discount code at checkout, BFM Overland, all caps, BFM Overland. That'll get you 10% off of your order. And yeah, that's it. Pretty self-explanatory. Good product, good price. Go get you one. See you guys next time.